Yeah, now it's recording. I'm sorry, I just forgot. I thought it was recording. No worries, this is
Yeah.
important thing, amortization. So how will you do amortization? We have, what is the period? We have first date is 1st Jan. How will you do this? We have first date. I will do this. And I'm sorry for my drawing is not good.
Hmm. No, it's good.
Okay, how will you do this? First, you will write the first date, 1st Jan 2021. This is first date. Now, you will write the interest payments. When are you going to pay interest payments? 30th June and 31st December of each year. So now,
Yes.
so first interest when you will pay first interest on 6 30th June 2021. Then you will pay 31st December 2021. Then you will pay 30th June 2022. Then you will pay December 31st, 2022. Then you will pay 6 30th June 2023. Then you will pay the amount on 31st December 2023. Now, what is the cash payment? Remember, on 1st of January, you will have the outstanding balance. What you will do, you will write this amount straightforward in front of this. So we have a balance of this amount at start. This is outstanding balance. Now, what I will do,
Hmm.
see carefully.
I think you put it in a wrong column.
Yeah, it's here. We have outstanding balance here. Now, how will you calculate the cash amount, cash payment? Remember, cash payment will be same every period. What is cash payment? This 42,000. So you will pay 42,000 here, then here, then here. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. How you will calculate the effective interest rate? How will you calculate? Remember, you will multiply every outstanding balance with the effective interest rate. What is effective interest rate in our question? 7%.
Yes.
Although it is 14%, but it is semi-annual, so it is 7%. Now, if you multiply, do on your calculator just one amount, then I will show you the table.
Okay. 7% multiplied
This amount,
by that number.
yeah,
Okay.
tetra
Six
633.
six double three. So it is 4666643.
Yeah, we will round it off 4 like this. So now, how will you
Oh,
calculate the discount? What you will do, you will take the difference of these two. What will be the difference? You will deduct 42,000 from this amount. I will write it here so that
okay.
you can know that how I did it. Minus 42,000. This will be equal to 4 1, yeah, 4664. 4664. So how did you calculate the effective interest rate? How did you calculate the discount? Got it?
Yes.
Good. Now,
Outstanding balance multiplied by effective rate.
yeah. And how did you calculate discount amount? Effective interest minus
Minus.
cash payment.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Now, how will you calculate the outstanding balance? You will add, if the bond, I am calculating this amortization for discounted bond. Remember, discounted bond. And what is discount bond? When the present value is less
Is
than the
less
market,
than.
the face value, the
Okay.
principal value, the face value. So what you will do, how will you calculate the outstanding balance? You will add the previous outstanding balance plus the discount amount. Now your current outstanding balance is equal to, tell me.
Uh, can you repeat the outstanding balance,
Okay,
please? So,
how I did is, you will take the previous outstanding balance, previous,
okay,
then
plus.
discount amount, the current period discount amount.
Oh, okay,
I will repeat this circle, then you will know this. You will make a practice, then you will know this.
okay.
Because this is, and this circle will repeat it every time. So your current outstanding balance for 30th June 2021 is 671,297.
197.
Got it? Now,
Yes.
I will calculate the next balance for 30. I will this cycle will repeat again and again. Now, you will multiply effective interest with the outstanding balance. Now, what is the outstanding balance for last period? This amount? This amount, right?
For last period,
Yeah.
yeah.
So you will multiply 671,297 with the effective interest rate, which is 7%. Now multiply this outstanding balance with 7%. You will get the amount 46991. Got it? How
Oh,
I did this? The last
so we
period,
have to, yeah.
last period accounting balance, multiply with the interest, effective interest rate, you will get the effective interest amount. How will you calculate the
Oh,
discount? You will deduct 466,991 42,000 minus. Then the answer will be equal to 4,991. Now what will happen? I will add 4,991 plus the previous period outstanding balance. What is the previous period outstanding balance? 671,297.
yes.
If you add 671,297 plus 4,991, this will be equal to 676,288. Got it? Now I'm moving to,
Yes.
I'm targeting your homework. In your homework, remember, if you remember, they have asked that calculate the total interest expense. Total interest expense. Remember, this interest expense for 46664 is only of 6 months, but I need 1 year interest expense. What I will do? I will add both of these. So this will be the interest expense. If they ask you calculate the cash payment of 1 year, you will add both of these. If they
Okay.
if they ask calculate the liability at 31st December 2021, remember this is liability, the closing balance of 31st December 2021. So what you will do? You will record this amount in the balance sheet. You will record the interest expense in the income statement, and you will record the cash payment of these 42,000 plus 42,000. If I show your homework, just hold on. This is your screen. Can you see the WhatsApp?
Yes.
Okay, just hold on. This one. Okay. See what they are asking. They said calculate the net liability. Net liability. What is the requirement? What would be the net amount of liability that would be reported in the balance sheet at 31st December 2021? So you will make this table for this question, and you will write the liability of the relevant period. So if for example, if I
Oh,
ask you what is the liability of 31st December 2021, this will be liability. What will be the interest
okay.
expense? Add both of these. Any question so far? Now you can solve
Okay.
your homework by yourself. Just making a table, you can solve this. But don't worry, I am with you. I will help it you. Now I am making a next slides. The next table, complete the table. Okay, because completing the table is very important. Once you have complete the one table, you can solve any question. They can ask you any question, you can give the answer. Okay.
Okay.
So now tell me, How I will calculate the effective interest for 30th June 2022?
So the outstanding balance multiplied by 7%.
What is outstanding
The last
balance?
thing that we the last thing that we have, like, is it one outstanding balance multiplied by effective rate 7%?
Yeah, exactly. Effective interest rate multiplied by.
So it is 676,288 multiplied by 7%.
Good, good, exactly. So if you multiply this, the answer will be 47340. And discount is very simple. You will deduct 42,000 from this amount. The discount amount will be 5340, right? And
Yes.
the closing balance, the
From,
yeah,
excuse me, the discount is which number minus which number?
effect. Okay, you can. I have written the formula here. You can note it down. Effective
Yeah.
interest minus cash payment.
So I can't take notes right now because it will take a lot of time. So maybe the time is short for us. So I'll rewatch the video.
Okay, no worries. I am recording the video. But if whenever you are when you are studying, during your study, if you are study at home, if you have any question, you can text me right away. I will guide you.
Okay, thank you so much. Can can you go a little bit up, please? Down? No, for your handwriting.
Okay,
Because the video should record that one as well. But I'll see it later.
which one? Okay, okay. This one.
Yeah, because I
I
just
have
want a video record.
Yeah, I have started from here.
Yeah.
First of all, we calculated the present value of two things: present value of principal, then present value of interest. How I calculate the present value of principal? I applied the formula of future value. And how I calculate the present value of interest? Using annuity. Remember, interest is always
Okay.
will always be calculated using annuity, and the present value of principal amount is the present value future value divided by the interest. The formula, present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus r power n.
Okay.
Got it?
Thank you.
You are
Yes.
welcome. Okay, now what will be the effective interest rate for the for 30th first December 2022? Multiply 681628 with the 7%. You will get
Yeah.
yeah, you will get 47714. 47714. And if you deduct 42,000 from effective interest rate, you will get 5714. And you will add 5714 to this amount. The last period outstanding balance. Your new outstanding balance will be 342. Okay. Now 42 the 30th June 2023, what you will do, you will multiply this amount with this, you will get 48114, and the discount will be
Yes.
6114. Now are you getting quickly now? Because this is a cycle.
Yes.
This will repeat again and again. Okay, so 6, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last period is 31st December 2023. The effective interest rate 48544. This is rounded off. Everything is rounded off. 46544, and your last payment is this amount. So you have paid 700,000. Remember, the last amount will be the principal value. Either we are calculating the
Okay.
discounted method, or either we are calculating for the premium. Either the bond is issued at discount, either the bond is issued at premium. This will convert to the principal value one by one.
Okay. So isn't it par
Yeah,
value,
par value, same.
because they are similar? Oh,
Remember, this the name is same. Par value, principal value, face value. So the formula is
okay.
same. Now we are solving the
Okay.
questions one by one. There will be a different question. First of all, what will be the double entry for interest expense? What will be the double entry? for this and this, what will be the double entry? Be careful. You will debit the interest expense. You will debit the interest expense. You will credit the cash amount 42,000, and you will credit the discount on bond, the difference between interest expense and cash balance. So for this column, this is discount column. You will credit for investor. This you will debit. This you will credit. So now,
Always?
yeah, always. For investor, it is always. Oh, sorry, for the issuer, it is always. Always you will do this because
Okay.
interest expense is always debited. These are the double entry rules. Expense is always debited. Expense is always debited. Okay. So now what
Oh,
you have to do? Now you have to be careful in the question that what is requirement. If the requirement is 1 year, then you will do add both of these. For example, I ask you that what is the cash payment for 2021? This will be 84. If I
cash payment for cash
2021,
payment for 2020.
this period,
Okay.
this year. Remember the
Okay, we have to add them.
yeah, add them. Why I added them? Because this is a 6 month payment. So for the year,
Oh,
if I need two payments, then it will be equal to 1 year, right? 6 month plus 6 month.
yes.
So same,
Oh, yes.
yeah,
Yeah.
same I will do interest expense. I will do add both of these. I will do add both of these. This will be equal to the interest expense for the year. For year. Got it? So I will
Yes.
4 6 6 6 4 plus 4 6 9 9 1. So this will be equal to 93655. This is interest expense for 2021 complete year. And what will be the discount amount? The liability will increase by this amount. Okay. So we are
Okay.
calculating our liability 4664 plus 4991 96655. So this is the discount amount for the whole year. Any questions so far?
No, thank you.
Now,
You are your teaching method is so clear.
okay, thank you. Now, the next thing, this is the during the period they can ask you the question. This question is during the period. Now, I gave you three question answers of three question in one entry. The interest expense, the cash payment, the interest expense, the discount value. Now, if they ask you, if I ask you, for example, if I ask you, tell me the liability for 31st December 2022. Using this table, tell me what I have to record in the balance sheet
For which year?
for 31st December
Sorry, there is a
2022.
sound. December 20. Okay. The outstanding balance.
Yeah, good.
Okay, we have to add two of them, the 6/30/22
No,
and
no, no,
12/31/22.
no, 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 no. Remember, for balance sheet, these are the closing amounts. For example, whenever he asks you that, what will be the balance in the balance sheet? For example, as I ask you that, what is the 31st December 2022 balance? Simple, you will pick this amount. You do not need to add.
Oh,
Why? Because we already added this. Remember, how did we calculate the outstanding balance? Discount plus previous period outstanding balance. So it is already calculated, already added. So you do not need to add
okay.
anything in this. Simple, make a table. Make a table. I show you this your table. This will be more clear like this. Just hold on. Okay. So if they ask you that what will be the closing, what will be the liability? Okay, these amount you will
Okay.
record in balance sheet. So whenever they ask you that what amount to record in balance sheet as a liability, because this is your liability, you need to see which period they are asking. If they are asking, for example, as I asked, that what will be the balance for 31st December 2022, this is your answer.
Oh, okay.
Now, we have done with the during the period. During the period is done. Now, the last question may be that at maturity, what you will do. This is recording, this is the transactions at maturity. When the bond is matured, what is the maturity date? This is the last period, is the maturity date. Last period. Now, what you will do, you will
Okay.
perform the same entry. For example, you will debit the interest expense, which is 4848544. You will credit the cash, which is interest amount, which is cash interest. This is 42,000, and the difference between these two is discount. We will credit the discount. This is 6544. Now, at maturity, you have to do another entry. Another entry. What will be the another entry? Because you will, at maturity, you will pay the amount to the lender. Now, what you will do? You will debit bond payable. Your liability is minimized. Your liability is vanished. Your liability is ended now. So you will debit bond payable. Remember, yesterday I told you that whenever the liability is reduced, debit the liability. Remember? So increase in
Yes.
liability credit, decrease in liability debit. Now I have the
Yes.
issuer have took a loan. When he will pay, this is the payment date. So he will pay the all the liability at 31st December 2023. So what I will do, I will debit 700,000. Simple, the face value, the principal value. This entry is very simple, and you will credit the cash 700,000.
I have a question.
Please.
What's the difference between debit and liability? Isn't it same meaning?
No, 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 no. Debit and debt is same. Okay, you are confusing with this amount. This is debt. This and liability is same
Oh,
meaning. This
oh,
this DR and CR is a accounting entry. This is okay. I tell you, this is double entry system. Double entry. This is debit. The mnemonic is DR, doctor, and this is credit, CR.
okay.
Any question so far?
No, thank you.
Okay. So have you what we have learned so far? Whenever you see the question, you have to focus on the question, that what is the requirement. If in the question the requirement is to calculate the value at maturity, double entry at maturity, this mean now you have to complete the table. Okay. Now I will move to the homework, because we are done with this. We will solve this question later, because my method is what I do normally. I teach a concept, then I do a practice, then I teach concept plus practice.
Oh,
Okay, this thing, in
okay.
this way you
I
will.
I already sent you two questions of the homework, and I will send you five more. So it's just seven questions. So then you will know
Yeah,
how
yeah,
to
I can
do
see
it.
the
Like,
screen here. This is your screen. This is your question, right?
yeah, this is the first
Now,
question.
what is always remember the trick to solve the question in accounting, in finance. The trick to solve the question is that always read the requirement. What is the requirement? Because when you will read the requirement, you will know that what you are going to do. Maybe you do not need a full table. Maybe you do not need a full table. You need only one year. So if you do not need a full table, if you will not read the requirement, you will make a full table, this will waste your time. So always read a requirement first. Now, what is the requirement? what would be the net amount of liability that would be reported in its balance sheet at 31st December 2021. So what is the starting date? 1st Jan 2021. So this means that we
Yes.
have to make a table only for 1 year. Okay. What would be the amount related to bonds that would report in the income statement for the year end? So this means interest expense. We will record interest expense. What would be the related amount related to the bonds would report on the statement of cash flows? This means we need to calculate the cash. Okay, I give you. He's asking you this entry. This entry. Complete this entry. That's it. Very simple question. Now, how will you solve this? You need a table for 1 year. How will you solve this? You need a table for 1 year, but you need a present value. First of all, calculate the present value. If I read the question, uh, Merit Solutions issued 12% bonds. So this means that coupon is 12%. I will write here 12%. Okay. With the face value is 330 million. Okay. On 1st Jan, what is the date? 1st Jan. Issuing date is 1st Jan
1st January.
2021. Okay. For 295, this is the selling price. This, what is the selling price? So this means we have got the present value. We do not need to calculate the present value. It is given in the question. So selling price or
Oh,
present,
the selling price and present value is same.
yeah, it is the same thing. It is the same thing. Now I
Okay.
will give you a hint. I will give you and I will prove you. See, if you go to the question, read the question, the coupon is 12%, the market interest rate is 14%, effective rate is 14%. So this is what it is indication. The indication is that this bond is discount bond. Discount bond. Got it? Another indication this is the present value, the selling price is less than the face value. So this bond is discount bond, and now this table is used. Remember, this table, this table is, sorry, this table is for bond issued at discount, discount bond. We will learn the bond issued at premium, but now we are solving the question for bond issued at discount. Now, how will you
Oh,
calculate the table? How will you calculate? I will only make 1 year amount, 1 year table, then the question is solved. Your all three questions will be solved in 1 year. Uh, this. So what I need, first of all, I need the date. I need the cash payment. I need effective interest rate, effective rate. I need the discount, the reduction in value, increase in value, and I need the outstanding balance. Outstanding balance. So what is date today? The first date is 1st Jan 2021.
January.
1st January 2021. And you know that at the start of period, the outstanding balance we will write, the outstanding balance. So the outstanding balance, what is the outstanding balance? The present value, the selling price.
29.5.
039
Yes.
and 998. Now, so I need the full year, but the problem is that if you go to the question, the interest is paid semi-annual. This one, semi-annual. Okay. So this
Yes.
means I need a two period. I need 2 period. So one payment will be first payment will be 6th of June, 30th June 2021. Another payment will be I will solve like this. Another payment will be 31st December 2021. So I will do this now. So the first requirement is I will calculate the cash payment first. What is the cash? How will you calculate the cash payment? The interest rate is 12%. What I will do? I will divide this by 2, so this will be 6%. 6%. So now remember, how will you calculate the interest payment? Very simple. Multiply this amount with the 12% and then divide by 2. Can you please do this?
Yes. So it is 19850.
10040, right? 198.
Yeah, I think
Just hold on, let me do myself. 30.
it's five
Yeah,
zeros.
it's
Yeah,
five
five
zero. Five
zeros.
zero. Okay. Now please calculate the effective interest rate. This is 7% multiplied by outstanding balance.
Okay. So it is 20652799.
99. So this means that it is, you will round it off, this will be 800. So this will be 20652800. You will round it off.
Yeah.
Okay. Now please, how will you calculate the discount amount?
So just minus
Yeah, minus.
coupon minus, yes, cash payment minus effective rate.
Yeah.
So it is 8527. I mean 852800.
Yeah. 852800.
00.
So then please add this outstanding balance. Calculate the new outstanding balance.
Okay. So it is 295892798.
29589.
295892798. 2798.
Okay. So this is your outstanding balance. Please complete the next column by yourself. I am with
Oh,
you so that I can know that what you have learned.
okay. So for 31/12/2021, so I have to multiply the face value.
No, this will be remain same. This will be same. 19800.
Okay.
This will be same. Remember, I have told you.
Okay. So I have to multiply the outstanding balance by 7%.
Yeah, outstanding balance by 7%.
Yeah, the second outstanding balance.
Second, the last one. If you don't
So
mind,
it is,
can I ask you a question?
yes,
Just it's, if you don't mind. Are you Muslim or something else?
yes, I'm Muslim.
Okay, okay. Just hold. because I always do the lot of Arabic, so that's why. If my student is not a Muslim, then I avoid to use. Okay,
Avoid to use what?
avoid to use like the
Uh,
Arabic, inshallah, assalamu alaikum.
oh, Arabic. Oh, okay. Arabic words. Okay.
Yeah, because I have a lot of Muslim students from Turkey, from Morocco, from Dubai, Bahrain,
Oh,
but there are a lot of non-Muslim students from Germany, America, like this.
okay.
So, what is the
So
effective interest rate for this period?
it is 20712496.
Okay. What is the discount amount?
So we have to deduct it two columns. So
Yeah.
just give me a second. So it is 912496.
What is the outstanding balance?
We have to add the second outstanding balance with discount.
Exactly. Good. Good.
It is 296805294.
294. Okay. Just let me recheck. 295. Nine, 295. 290. Okay. Perfect. Now, all your answers are done. What you will do? Be careful. I'm going to the requirement. What is the requirement one? What is the liability, net liability? So this means that you have to, what would be the net amount of liability would report in its balance sheet at 31st December 2021. This is your liability.
Yeah, the last thing.
Last thing. Now, what is the interest expense? What you will write in the interest expense for 2021?
Um, add the coupon payment column together.
Yeah.
No,
No,
not the coupon.
this one.
The effective rate.
Yeah.
Yes.
This will be your interest expense. If you add both of these coupon payments, this will be your cash flows, cash payment.
Okay.
So is it easy now?
Yes. And how about the amount reported in the statement? Oh, okay.
This one. This is amount reported in cash
Yes.
flows.
Okay.
This
Okay.
is interest expense. This is your liability. You will record this. I will show you a slide with you, another slide with you. Just hold on. I will show you the format of this is the balance sheet. Remember. So this is basically the balance sheet. This format you can use. This is interest expense format for the income statement. Why I added the interest expense? Because the interest is compounded. Interest is used every 6 months. Okay. So be careful in the rate. If it is semi-annual, then you will add both of these. If it is quarterly, then you will have to four times add, just like this. Okay. Now, what will be the liability? What amount you will record in the liability? So this is your closing amount as bonds payable. This is the closing amount is your liability. Now I show you, I
Like
give you a logic why it is the liability, why this is the liability. Remember, for example, this was your starting amount. It is an another question. It is a face value. Like in this question, it is 330 million. Okay, but the bond is issued at discount. We will deduct the discount amount. Now this is the liability at start of the period. At 1st Jan, this is liability. At 31st December 2021, this is liability. At 6 June 30th June 2021, this is liability. Got the logic?
okay. Yes.
Good. So your homework Question number one is done.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Is the answers are available, or you how will you get the answers?
So I can write the answers right now, but it takes time. That's fine. I will write it later.
Okay.
But it's available on the platform of my university. We are using McGraw Hill, a smart book.
Okay. No, no. I'm asking that. I'm just want to check if the answer is correct or not, just to the correct amount. Answers are available or not?
Yeah. Where do you mean in our university
Yeah. No.
website?
What I mean, when you, for example, when you submit this homework, this you submitted
Okay.
this answer, how will you confirm that is it correct or not?
It shows that whenever there at the top there's an option check my answer. So whenever I click this, it shows it's correct or not.
Okay. Can you do this in 2 seconds, or it will take time?
Just give me a second. I have to log in first.
Okay.
You can read the answers for me. It will be easy. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Okay. Can you read for me the first part?
First part,
The
yeah. The first
yeah,
part is
net liability.
yeah 2968
Okay.
05294.
Okay. And the second one, interest expense.
It is 396
Okay.
50 5 zeros.
Okay. And the third one, amount reported and statement cash
Oh,
flows.
no, 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 no. It is reverse. It is reverse. This is interest expense. Okay, I got this. This is interest expense. This is cash amount. Write this amount in cash column. 3960030.
And cash column.
This one. 3960030.
Okay. And for the cash flows.
Yeah, for the cash flows.
Okay. Can you repeat it, please?
Three
Because
nine
I couldn't
three
see it.
nine six
Okay.
50.
Okay.
And for the interest expense, it is 41365
Okay.
296.
So I will check it right now. Oh, the interest expense is wrong and the second cash flow is wrong as well.
What? Can you can you
So
can you send me where is the problem?
if you want, you can log into my account, and then you can see it. It will be easy because I couldn't share my screen right now.
No, you can send you can took a snap on your mobile, then you send me
Oh,
WhatsApp.
oh, okay, okay,
I will see. Maybe there is a rounding off problem.
okay. I send it.
So the net liability is correct. Okay. The amount in the cash column is correct. Okay. No, the okay, you did it wrong. You enter it wrong. This amount you have to enter this amount in interest expense. I told you.
And interest expense. Can you read it for me, please? Because whenever I go to another page, I couldn't see the previous
Okay, okay.
page.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 41365 Answer is correct. Our answer is correct.
Mm, okay.
41365
Yes. How about the last one? Amount reported in cash statement, the last part.
396 396.
So I have to write it twice?
No, 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 no. Okay, just hold on. Just hold on. I go to come here on the whiteboard. Come here on the whiteboard.
Okay.
I write it here. I will write here and I will send a screen to you. Screenshot to you. Net liability is 296,805,294, and interest
Oh,
expense is uh it is 41365 and the cash payment is 39600 then 30. I am sending a screenshot to you. Hold on.
okay. And but there is two for the third part. There is two section. I already wrote these, but the for can you see it in the picture for the third part? There is two how to say it, two sections that I have to write for the cash flows.
Yeah, yeah. You okay, I tell you that how to write it. What you have to write it, this is the interest expense and this is the financing activity. This is the operating activity. This one. Okay, I told you. Because in the cash flow statement there are three sections. Operating, right? Write it here. In cash flow statement,
Okay.
there are three sections. One is operating, cash flows from operating activity, then cash flow from investing activity, from investing activity. Then third one is cash flow from financing activity, to finance.
Oh,
Okay. Now, the cash flow, that is you are paying interest. Remember, the other name for interest is finance. We also name this finance interest, finance charges.
okay.
So this is financing activity. You will record this amount in the financing activity. Okay? Then how will you do?
Okay.
You will record this amount. This effective interest rate is operating activity. This is operating, part of operation. This is operation part, operation activity. So I'm going to send a screen. Now you can write the answer.
Oh, I already take the picture.
Okay, you have to go
So
to the picture.
if I share my screen, the screen recorded will be gone from your side.
Yeah, the problem is that it will be gone. No worries. I will log into your uh
Web advisor.
yeah. Can I, how will I log into you?
Okay. So look, I'll send you the picture. One part of question is wrong. I don't know why.
No, no, no. Okay. No, you put the wrong amount. Not financing. Just hold on. The right one
Okay.
is number one activity is financing. Number two is operating activity.
Maybe our professor solved this question because one of our classmates they asked from her.
Yeah, yeah. They are solving. Actually, the reason the format your university is following.
Yeah, that's fine. Let's do the other question. So for this part, I'll ask professor. So for my university, so can you go to wait, I will write for you. Can you go to Cal State East Bay website, please?
Okay. Can you share a link so that I can log in directly?
Um, so I have to do it in my phone. Just give me a second. So now whenever you are logged in, I receive a message from my phone. So that's why I have to accept that message. So I already sent you the link.
Okay.
Click the link and
Just hold on. Just
then
hold on.
click the
Write this amount in financing activity. Write this amount in financing activity.
okay
41365,296.
okay. Just give me one second, please. Because this is the first question. It's a little bit shorter, but the another question are longer. So it's good for you to open it. It's easier.
Yeah, yeah.
So did you click that link?
Yeah, I collected it. Have you entered the answer? Meanwhile,
No, not yet.
okay. Meanwhile, please enter
Yes.
the answer. 41365,296
Okay.
in the
For financial link, for what?
okay, please pause.
No, it's still wrong.
What? Okay, let's see.
So just click that link.
Yeah, I opened it. Can you
California
see the
State
screen?
University. Yes. So can you go a little bit up?
Yeah.
No, down. No, a little bit up. Sorry. Go more up. So click. There's no more up. So click the three lines.
Yeah.
Go to a Blackboard and then sign in to Blackboard. And my net I already sent you, and then password
Okay. The ID is GW6505.
GW6505, and the password is Afghan A as a capital letter, FGHAN 12345 dot no dot at the end,
Okay.
dot, yes, and then I'll receive um, a message. So send me a push. Thank you. And then I collect that message. So I approve it. Then you can log in. Sorry, it's it's so long.
No, no, no.
But if one part of question is incorrect, that is fine because there's more questions. That's fine. I'll
Okay.
find
I just
the
wanted to know that do they have the solutions that how they will solve?
no. I'll ask the professor.
Okay,
So just click this course, the 312,
this
the
one.
312. No, the yeah,
This one?
yeah, this one. And then go to ebook.
No is ebook. Here?
There's no, yeah, yeah, in, no, click that arrow
Which one? Okay.
under the three dot, yeah. Oh, I don't know. I just saw it. There was ebook. Huh. Click that arrow again. Sorry about that. Yeah, there's ebook. The fourth line. Yes. Yeah, and click that one.
Which one?
Yeah, click chapter 14. Yeah, chapter 14 arrow.
This one here?
No, this right side, there's an arrow for chapter. Yes, this arrow.
Continue.
And continue. Yes.
Continue.
Yes. And if you want to check the work, there at in the top it says check my work. You can click that one.
Okay, we will solve it later, the wrong amount, don't worry. We will do and we will solve the another question. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
So just click the on the upper. Just click return to question, and in the bottom it says next.
here?
It didn't say next
Yeah, here.
because I couldn't see your full screen, but that's fine.
Now you can see the screen. Full screen is open with you.
Yes.
Okay, now the question number two is, uh, we will go to the requirement. Determine the price of the bond at January 1st, 2021. Okay. So what will be the price of the bond? So this means that we need the present value. Present value. How will you calculate the present value? Remember, this is the price
PV
of bond.
equal.
You need, okay, I can you see the whiteboard as well now?
Yes.
Price of bond is equal to present value of principal plus present value of interest.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So we have face value is 740,000, market yield. So this means this is the interest rate, effective interest rate. So we have two things. I have a coupon 4%. Coupon is 4%, and the yield, market yield is 5%. Okay. The bond mature 31st December 2024. So the maturity is 4 years, is equal to 4 years. Interest is paid semi-annually. Okay. So this will be divided by 2. This will be divided by 2. So this will be 2%. This will be 2.5%. And 4 year will be is equal to 8. Now calculate the present value of principal and present value of interest. Remember, use in the present value you will use this interest rate. Can you calculate the present value of interest for me so that I can know that are you have you collected it or not, got it or not? Because
So for the present value, we have to use the yield.
yeah, market yield, market interest rate.
Mar- Market interest rate. Okay.
So go to your table and find the 2.5% interest rate.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can use this formula. 740,000 divided by 1.025 power 8. This will directly give you the answer.
Okay. So I have a table. It's easy to use the table. So present value.
Yeah, please can you match
Yes.
this
Oh,
present value with your table?
okay. So it is 0.82075.
What it is?
The present value is 0.8278
Yeah, is 0.8220.
0.075.
Yeah, this is. So that you what
So it's gonna be 67355.
just hold on. 0.82075. Like this is right?
Yes.
Multiply with 740,000.
Yes. It is
0.82075.
60.
607,355. Okay, so our
Yeah.
my answer is correct. Your answer is also correct. The only the rounding off. Point 3 is different.
Oh,
So everything
I have
else.
a question. I have a question. So in the exam, if I have a question like n is, so I have to find the n. So isn't it gonna be difficult to find the n? Like if I find the eight in this question.
Uh, I didn't get your question. You will find the n on your table. Is it difficult to find on your table? Or what you are asking?
So I will ask later. That's fine. It's from my previous chapter. That's fine.
Okay, okay, it's from your previous chapter. Don't worry. Now, please tell me the
Yeah. Sorry.
annuity of 2.5%.
Okay. Um, which annuity? The future or present value annuity?
Yeah, present value of annuity of 2.5%.
Okay. So it is 7.17014.
7.1014.
7014.
Okay. Now, the how will we calculate the present value of interest? What I will do, I will calculate first of all the interest payment. How I will calculate the interest payment? I will 740, this is face value, multiply by 2%. So this will be the interest payment. 740,000 multiplied by 2%.
Because it's semi-annually, that's why we have to
Do yes.
multiply by 2%.
So how will I calculate the present value? 14,800 multiply by 7.1704. So 14,800 multiply by 7.1704. So the present value of interest is 106,122.
Okay.
Now, how will you find the how will you find the price of bond? You will like this: 607,355 plus 106,122. So this I will calculate it. You can also calculate 607,355 plus 106,122. So this is equal to 713,477. Okay. What can we
Yeah.
write? Can we write one by one and check the answer? Is it possible or
Yes.
not?
So okay, you have to change it. Can you go a little? Yeah. You have to click the REQ one or EQ one. Yeah, this one.
So we have to complete the table. No worries. We can do this.
Yeah.
So the n is here. N is 8. Interest is
Yes.
2.5%. Okay. So the interest amount is 106,122. 106. Uh, no. We need the present value. The interest amount is 14,800. The present value is 106,122, and then the principal is 740,000. The present value of principal is 607 355. And okay, what I will do, I will check my work.
Yes.
Okay, correct. Why it is 10? How is it possible? I didn't get it. How is it possible that the present value of interest is wrong but the total answer is correct? How is it possible?
I don't know.
No, just hold on. Round the answers, round final answers to the nearest whole dollar. Okay, just hold on.
Oh,
So nearest whole dollar,
so it is
minus
106.
100.
Just 106.
Yeah, 106.
So just click, yeah, just click the return to question on the top. So it's 106.
Okay, 106.
And
No, it must be 106 100.
so I think you don't have to put the zeros, just 106. I don't know.
Let's see what is actually happening. I don't know the what is the format is following. What to write in? Okay, okay. Okay,
Just write 106, that's it.
okay. I think
Yeah,
I think he's requiring this amount. Don't you think 7.17014 or what he's requiring? Okay,
interest.
okay. If I do,
And I don't think so. Just you can try 106
okay,
and then check my work.
then the total answer will be wrong.
Oh,
What's the issue? I don't know what format is following. What is the requirement? What actually is requiring in the present value?
so whatever is incorrect, that's fine. So I discuss. So whenever I rewatch the video, maybe I find the answer, or if
Hmm. Hello.
hello, I think there's an internet problem, internet connection.
Yeah, that was just for 1 second. Okay, the reason is that everything is correct, but we don't know how to write the present value of interest.
Okay,
The problem is that we're not sure how to write. What is the requirement?
okay, I'll see.
Okay, so we will round final answer to the nearest whole dollar because everything is correct. Principal is correct. Interest is correct. Principal value is correct, but the interest amount is not correct.
That's fine. Let's go to part two.
Yeah, let's go now.
You no, yeah, you can click the app one. The no, next to the Rick one, there's Rick two.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. So he's requiring you prepare the journal entry to record their issuance by Patty on January 1st, 2021. Remember, I told you the journal entry at the start. What you will do at start, if the
yes,
as the bond is issued at discount, you know, you will debit the present value, which is 713,477. We will credit we will credit the bonds payable, which is 740,000, and difference between two is discount on bond. So the difference between two is it is
discount on.
713 477 minus 740,000. So the discount is 26,520 Troy. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, okay. So where is, yeah, this is the requirement. What I will do. Okay. So what is the
So what?
enter debits before credits? Okay. No worries. He says debits before credit. So we will write here the cash.
No, there's an arrow. Yeah, you can click that one. It will be easy. Yes.
Okay. No, no, no. Debit is always cash. I told you how. This is what actually I
Mm-mm.
this entry is requiring. This one.
Okay.
This entry is requiring from you. So you will cash debit. We will credit the discounts payable, and then we will debit the credit the bonds payable.
Okay.
So where is this one? So we will amount is debit 713,477. Then we will bond discounts on bonds where it is written, uh, discounts on bonds payable. This will be 26523, 26523. Then bonds payable, this one,
Yeah, bonds payable.
divided by
Credit.
740,000. Okay, now how to submit this?
So check my work.
Check your work. Correct.
Yes.
Why the answer is not complete? Still showing answer is not complete.
Because there's more rick, like it's 7 ricks here.
Okay, okay. So are you familiar with me? Are you okay with me studying with
Yes,
you?
yes. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can click the rick 3.
Yeah. In this way, I can also solve your homework by myself when I have time.
No, I'll solve it next time by myself because I have to learn it.
Yeah, yeah.
So and I'll try it by myself as well. Because if you do it my homework, so what should I do in exam? Exam is in person.
Yeah, I've in the last week, someone student from Germany, he said that I will pay you like $100. Can you please solve three question for my exam? He said okay.
Oh,
Yeah, he said that
yeah. The
that was
the
managerial
thing is,
activity.
oh, okay. The thing is that my exam is in person and nobody can help me except me, except myself.
Yeah, but the he said that okay, so your exam is online or in the university?
No, in the university in class.
No one can help
Yeah,
you except you. Good. So
yeah,
number
except
three.
myself.
So number three is a very easy. Prepare an amortization schedule that determines interest at the effective rate each period. That is very simple. We have done this. How will we do? First of all, we will write the present value in this column here. First of all, we will write this amount 713,713,477. 713,477. Why it is not written here? Okay, 713,477. Okay, then we will calculate the cash interest, that is 14,800. Here it is also 14,800. Then we will calculate the bond interest expense. What you said, what you sent me?
I just texted you.
Okay, okay. No, no, no. They don't say. I don't want to make a problem. No, no, no. They don't say anything.
Okay.
Although there is a very problematic things whenever if you share any number with me, if you share any If I share any email with you, they will block me. Remember, that's why I sent an audio message.
Oh,
Yeah. So whenever I find,
email of who?
yeah,
Email of who?
email of myself, when I said that, text me on email.
Oh, that's why you didn't text me your email.
Yeah, I cannot text you. They will penalize me at the spot. They will block
Oh,
me.
and I thought so. I several times I text you send me your email by text and you didn't. So and I thought that why he's not sending me the email via text.
Yeah,
So that was the reason.
yeah. I even cannot write in the text that have you received the email? I cannot write. That's why, remember, I texted you audio message that please check your email.
Oh,
So they will do nothing. Okay, don't worry. So bond interest expense, can you calculate for me? Because if I will calculate it for you, you will not learn it. How will you calculate the bond
okay.
interest?
The bond interest so 713 multiply by the rate.
By the which rate?
Um,
2.5%.
can you run which one?
2.5%.
2 point,
Because
yeah, 2.5%.
yeah, the year. Okay, so it is
477.5%.
717,477 times 2.5%.
So it is 17837.
17837. 17837. So how we will calculate the discount amortization? Okay,
So just the difference between the two.
okay, it will be
Minus. So it is 3037.
minus 3037.
Yes.
Okay, then how will you calculate this answer? Plus 713,477.
Yes.
And I'm glad that you learned everything very well.
Thank you. The problem is that like when I start the question, so tomorrow or tonight or tomorrow I will um repeat all these that we are learning today. So if I have any question, I will ask you. The most major problems that I don't know um when cash is credit or debit. So whenever I did something wrong at first, the whole question is wrong.
Okay, you will ask me.
That's why.
Don't worry. If you will do wrong, then you will learn it. If you will do
Yes.
wrong, I will tell you that what is the correct way, then you will correct it, then you will learn it. Oh, okay, I will not repeat this mistake again.
Yeah, I'm not thinking about that right now, so I'm thinking on the exam.
Oh, no worry,
So
no worry.
yeah, I have to
Okay, we
learn.
will. Don't worry. We will do a much practice before exam. That when you will sit in the exam, this will be like your homework. This will be like,
Yes, thank you.
always remember, do much practice before the exam. A lot of practice. So when you sit in the exam, this will be like that. Oh, I have done it. I have done it. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
No worries. I will always help you in the exam because I am studying the most difficult degree in the world, that is CFA, which is based which
Oh,
it is a USA base. I am studying the USA based PhD. So
oh,
only 30% people get pass every year out of 100. If,
oh,
for example, if 100 people sit in the exam, only 30% could pass the exam, because the exam is very difficult, very highly difficult exam. So we do a lot of hard work, we do a lot of practice. The most important thing is lot of practice. So that's why I am sharing techniques with you, that how to pass the exam, how to go through the exam. Remember, if you do lot of practice, your exam pressure will be reduced. You will not feel any pressure in the exam.
thank you.
So 716,514 multiplied by 2.5%. So this will be equal to 17913. 17913. This is the interest, and this will be the amortized with the difference 17193 minus 14,800. So this is equal to 2393. So the next amount is 7164. What it is show?
So
7164.
I think it did by itself. It was automatically.
Yeah, just hold on. Let me check
You
again. 716.
you can you can click the check my work and it will show which one is right and which one is wrong.
No, the this one is wrong. This is not correct. This one is 716,514.
Yes.
Yeah. So the next will be plus 2393. That is okay. So just hold on. 716,514 multiplied by 2.5%. 17963 minus this is 3 double. Okay, so this is the difference here. It is 3113. That why I did it again. The reason is that discount will increase with the as it goes.
Yeah.
So my mind clicked that why it is reduced. It cannot reduce with the passage of time. It will increase with the passage of time.
Yes.
So you will reach at this level if you have a very strong concept. Okay.
Oh.
Now
Okay.
how what is we have to solve this one as well.
Yes. Can you check my work, please?
Okay.
So then it will show we did this. It's right or wrong. Yeah, all of them is correct.
Okay. Now what to do?
So just click return to the question.
Okay. Can you
So
can you
for this part, yeah, for this part, if you do, it will take time. So I will do it because I know how to do it. We can do number four, like Rick four. No, no, at the upper one. Yeah, this one.
prepare the journal entry to record the interest on 30th June 2021? Okay. So 30th June 2021. So you need the you need the interest. So you will write this entry. How will you write this entry? I will show you. You will debit the interest expense like this. You will debit interest expense. You will credit the cash interest, which is 14,800, and you will take the difference. That difference will be credited as a discount. Okay. For this, we need to go to the requirement 3 because we have solved it on requirement 3. So what is the
Yes.
requirement? As 30th June 2021. So this will learn you. This will teach you. What is 30th June 2021? This period. Okay. So interest expense is 14,800. Cash interest is 14,800. The interest expense is 17837. 17837,
Eight
and
three
the
seven.
discount is 3037. So we will debit interest expense, we will credit the discount, we will credit the cash interest. Remember, this is double entry, and you have to memorize
Yes.
all these things. So first of all, we will debit the
Yeah.
interest expense.
What's the meaning of double entry?
Double entry, okay. This is what is your name? Aria?
Yes.
Okay. Aria, this is a accounting system. Remember, this is the base of accounting. Base of accounting is double entry.
Okay.
First, the
Uh,
first step in accounting is double entry. So whenever
I
we
want to
go,
say something.
yeah.
Whenever I was at college, so I took the financial accounting and the managerial accounting class over there in college. So because it was Corona and everything was online, so we had online class. So whenever we solved a question or some of them are on Sheik and or and Google or uh, so
Oh,
whatever. So we found it online. So that's why I don't know much about the financial and managerial
your
accounting.
concept is weak.
Maybe.
Yeah, basic concept.
So yeah.
Okay, don't worry.
And here in United States, I think every student is like this because we are not learning that much. So the professors are good, but the students want everything to get easily.
Okay.
So
Oh, but
it's not that much hard
what
as
I have
in
observed,
Pakistan.
the professor in your country, they teach very speedily. They teach very speedily. Right or wrong?
You think, yeah.
Because I am also studying. I'm also studying. I know they teach the method of teaching is very quick. They don't teach everything one by one. They don't teach.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know, but and you can see the difference. I'm teaching you. What is the difference if you see?
Yeah, you teach it slowly and I know and clearly.
Okay, yeah. So that is the reason to cause
And
why
I
people
think their method is like this. I don't know.
what?
Even I think their method is like this in every student. So they are just wanted to pass the class. They don't wanted to learn anything.
Oh, but
That's it. They are students just passing the class.
yeah, that's a problem. That is wrong thing. Because when you will go to the industry, you will know nothing.
Yeah.
Because this is application. You will apply this knowledge in the industry. So you as you are at financial accounting, where your exam is midterm exam is February, and when will be your final exam? By the way,
It is on May.
okay, May. Okay, no worries. So the exam on February 14 is only chapter 14.
No, it is 3 chapters.
Okay, okay. So don't worry, we will discuss it. Otherwise, this will waste our time. We will discuss
But
this another day.
but most of the questions are from chapter 14.
Okay. So the other class fellows or your other class fellows, they also use Preply to teach or like this or what do you think?
No. So I found Preply online. Nobody told me that there's a website, there's a tutoring website.
So if they ask you that they want to teach, what you will do? You will ask what you will tell them.
I'll tell them that there's a tutoring
Okay.
classes. Maybe some of my classmates, maybe they want, because some of them they even don't know.
So you can tell them.
But some of them they are smart.
Yeah. You can tell them if you want.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. So where is the discount? Discount. This is discount. Free potential and pay back.
I know some people that they were came from Pakistan for working here and big four accounting organizations.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Why not? You are so smart. You know whatever we are studying here, you know more than that.
The reason is that I have studied all the things internationally. I have studied from UK and now I am studying from USA. So
Oh,
the everything that I am studying is applicable in more than 170 countries.
oh, okay.
Where is cat? This one.
Oh, you just pass it.
Okay. So this is,
Yes, thank you so much.
no, you are welcome. Uh, okay. So did you get it? How I did it? Are you working or
Yes,
not? So what double entry I did?
ex-
This double entry, as I told you, this one.
yes.
Debit interest expense, credit discount, or on bonds payable, credit cash interest, cash, simple. Okay. So this, because
Okay,
these are the things that you have to memorize. If you do not memorize, you will not be able to solve it. You must have an idea that what will be the answer.
okay.
We
Yeah, I will.
our answer is only
I will.
because of the rounding off. Yeah.
Okay.
What you were asking?
So I will repeat it tomorrow and I will memorize it because I need all these in exam.
Okay, okay, sure, sure. So
Yeah,
requirement 5 and 6.
yeah. First, just click the return to question at the top, please.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Now, what he's asking, he's asking that what will be the December 31st book value? Remember, what does it mean? What do you mean that what he's requiring you? So this means that you need what is the amount related to the bonds that Pate will report in its balance sheet at 31st December 2021. Remember, I told you one thing that you need the closing balance. You will record the closing balance in the balance sheet like this, like this. For example, this is the balance at 30th June. This is the balance at 31st December 2021. So you will only go to the requirement 3. This amount is the
Okay.
closing balance, 719627. So I will write here.
You have to click return to question first, then you can write it. And on the top, the black one, yes.
Oh, okay, okay. That's why. Okay.
Then click, no, no, not this one. Then click rec 5 and 6.
Okay.
At the, yeah, this one.
Yeah.
There's a lot of problems with this homework. It's
No, no, no. I will.
confusing.
I will. I am a quick learner. Alhamdulillah. I will learn it very quickly. Seven one nine six two
Oh,
seven. So I will write here 719627. 719627. Remember, are you getting the benefit? That's why I teach you first of all the complete table, because all the questions are
yes.
coming from table.
Yeah.
Now, what he's asking, interest expense for 2021. Interest expense for 2021. Tell me the answer.
Interest expense for 2021. Just give me a second. For 2021, it is, um, just give me a second. So I have to add both of them.
Exactly, good. Add both of
Yes,
them.
the interest expense column.
Yeah, bond interest expense. So it is 717837 plus 17913. So this is equal to
Yes.
35750. 35750. Okay. So return to the question. So what is the requirement? Okay, first is up. What is the amount related to the bonds that Pete will report in its income statement for the year ended 31st December 2021? Okay. So what he's asking you that what is the amount related to the bonds that will Pete will report in its? Remember, I told you that this column, this effective interest rate column,
Yes.
this one.
So I think we already did that one on number 6.
Yeah.
We are doing number 7 now.
Yeah. So he's asking you that record the interest expense on 31st December 2024. what it is? Just hold on. The requirement is what is the
No, I think we already did number 6. We are doing number 7 now.
oh yeah 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 we are done. So prepare the appropriate yes. What it is? Prepare the appropriate journal entry. Remember I told you that he will ask you that calculate the entries at maturity. Uh, just hold on. We did it somewhere here. This one. So this entry is at maturity. You will perform this these five entries at maturity. But for this, you need to complete the table. How will you complete the table? First of all, the very simple thing is that don't worry, you will go to the number three, requirement number three.
Okay.
Complete the table here because this is easy. Rather to complete on your worksheet or on your page, complete the table here because this is very neat and clean. You will get the answer. I will complete it here for you.
Okay.
Okay. So the interest expense will be 719,627,627 times 2.5%. So this is 17,991. 17,991. So this will be equal to 4191. Let me check, is it correct?
Oh, I think
1791.
it's already it comes by itself. It's
Yes, the
automatically.
formula is applied here. They have set a formula in the Excel. Okay, seven. Let me see is it correct or not. 719,627 plus 4191. Okay. The second learning that you need to learn is that you have to apply formula very carefully. Wherever there is an error, the whole table will be wrong. Remember. For example, you made a very simple error here. Your whole table will be wrong. So very careful. Okay.
Okay.
Where a minor error will cause the whole table gets wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
What I will do, I will 722,818 multiply 2.5%. So it is 18070. 18070. Okay. Then I will multiply 726,088 multiply by 2.5%. It is 18152. 18152. Okay. So 1729440 multiplied by 2.5%. It is 18236. 1836 and it is 732,876 times 2.5%. 18321. 18321 and the last. Okay. See, the last amount is 740,000. Remember, I
Yes.
told you that the
Yeah.
last amount will be the face value. Last amount will be the face value. Now, I'm making the double entry at maturity. So, what will be the double entry at maturity? What is the maturity date? Go to the requirement. Prepare the appropriate journal entries at maturity on 31st December 2024. So, this means you
2024.
will only use this column, last column.
Oh,
Now, very quickly, what you will do? You will debit the interest expense with 18043. Interest expense will be okay. I will write it here. So then put it. So interest expense will be, I will debit the interest expense. This is 18403. I will credit the cash. This is 14,800. I will credit the discounts on bond. This is the difference between a 3603, 3603, this one. Okay. Now, second entry you will make. Another entry is you will debit the bonds payable. Bonds payable. Remember, the liability is reduced now, 740,000,
Yeah.
and credit the cash by 740,000. Got it? Any questions so far?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
So so for first time, so it's so difficult for me to learn. So I'll repeat it. Whenever I repeat it, I'll learn it.
Yeah, okay.
I'm just paying attention right now.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, good, good. If you learn 30%, 40%, that is perfect. Because if you will repeat it every time, then you will be able to learn. Okay. So I will
Oh,
put the double entry very simple. Uh, okay. So first of all, double entry will be debit. I will do interest expense. It will be debit here 18403. Now remember, this is rule of your homework that you have to first enter all the debits. First enter
okay.
all the debits. I read it somewhere. I don't know where it is written, but I don't know where. Okay, so first of all, we will enter all the debit. This interest expense. Then I will debit this, the bonds payable. Bonds payable. This is by 740,000. Now I will credit all the things. Discounts on bonds. Oh no, I think I should discounts on bonds.
Oh, it's here. Discounts on bond.
It is 3603. Then I will. Oh no, no, it is debit. Credit 3603. Then I will credit cash. Uh, cash. Okay. So cash is written here. Remember, the cash is written only one time.
Yes.
Why it is like this? So so the cash is written only one time, but here we wrote two times. So what you can do is that add both of these,
Okay.
740 plus 14,800. So it will be 754.
Oh, there's part two as well. Maybe for the second cash we can write it in the part two
Where?
at the near next to the one.
Uh, Here?
No, no, up. A little bit up. No, up.
Here?
More up.
Here?
Whenever you see the December 31, 2024,
Here?
upper one. No, up.
Here?
On the question. Yes, upper one. Yeah, here. Okay, that's fine.
No, no, no. We can do this. Here I will write it here. Two times 740 plus this is 754 plus 754 800. No worries. We will check whether the format is correct or not.
Okay.
Oh, the format it's not cash. Why it's not? It's somewhere it is. Prepare the appropriate journal entry at maturity on 31st December 2024. So we have interest expense. Okay. We have bonds payable. Is at maturity. I think we need to change the format. Then maybe the answer is correct.
Okay, I'll show you something. Can you see number 7? Click number 7, please.
Where it is,
Here, yeah, yes.
it is already click.
Okay,
It is we are doing this one seven. We are doing number seven. Okay. So I will change the format. Then maybe the answer is correct. So here interest expense is debit. Okay.
look, can you see the question here?
Where?
It's second as well. Click the second one. Yeah.
This one?
Journal entry. Yeah, that one.
Yeah. I'm recording this. Record the retirement of bond at maturity. This is retirement. I'm doing retirement. Okay, 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 okay. So we
Yeah, now you know what I'm saying.
yeah, this is the okay. We the format is wrong. So here only the interest expense. Okay. So okay. So I will write here discounts on bonds. This is credit 3603. Then I will credit the cash. This is 14800. Okay, let's see. Yeah, now it is correct. Okay, so that was a format problem. Okay, so I will do this as you said to me.
Click on the table.
Where?
Yeah, on the table.
Okay, number two. Okay, good. Bonds payable. Here it will be, we will debit bonds payable. It will be 740,000. And I will credit the cash. It will be 740,000. So I will check my homework. Okay, so we are done.
So I have a question. Yes.
Yeah.
Um, whatever is in general section like discount on bonds or cash or bonds payable. So how do I know these? Do I have to memorize all of these? So it's good to memorize, or is there any way to
No,
it all or it belong to question?
you have to memorize. You have to memorize the double entries.
Oh,
You have to memorize the double entries. Right? I know the double entry. So if I know the double entry, I will quickly do it. If you don't know the double entry, it will be difficult for you.
okay. Thank you so much.
So our questions are done. Okay.
Yeah, it's done. So it's not entirely correct, but because we had mm, something mistake on the first one, but that's fine.
Yeah. Well, that
I'll
I don't know what's the issue. The format issue. I don't know here. So our class is done. Okay.
yeah. And can you please send me this record, please?
Yeah. I will do this. Just hold on. Let me finish.
Okay, thank you so much.